Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming power because a dead battery stops everything. Open the charging case. Its LED tells you charge status. Solid means ready, flashing means charging. Once done, remove both Indy earbuds, orient L and R to your ears for correct fit. Now make sure your phone Bluetooth is on and visible. You need proximity, so keep the phone within about 3 m while pairing. This matters because uninterrupted signal makes the initial handshake smooth and prevents repeated pairing attempts. You now handle the pairing and basic controls so the earbuds become useful. Press and hold the touch / button on both earbuds until you see alternating blue and white LEDs. This puts them into pairing mode. Then, on your phone, select Skullcandy Indy from the Bluetooth list. Pairing completes when the LEDs stop flashing. Once paired, practice the control gestures. Single tap to play or pause, double tap to skip tracks, and press and hold for voice assistant. This saves time because you won't need the phone for routine tasks. You finish by securing fit and resolving common problems quickly. Place each earbud in your ear and twist gently until you feel a seal. Change to a different tip size if sound lacks bass. If audio drops or pairing fails, reset them. Place earbuds in the case, close it, then hold the case button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash. This clears pairing errors. Finally, recharge the case when LEDs are low and check the Skullcandy app for firmware updates to improve stability and features.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.